If you're wondering what app I use to edit my Instagram photos, or what Julia Barretto and other celebrities uses, or those Insta famous on Instagram, well then stay tuned. Hey guys, it's been a while. Don't worry, because now I'm back with apps that I know you are dying to know. But then at the same time, I'm not sure because you might have saw this app somewhere or figure out yourself. But I know for sure that these apps are gonna help you. If you're still interested on figuring out what other apps out there that could help you beautify your IG stories, then stay tuned. Without further ado, let's get started with our video. First app that I will be introducing to you guys is called Over. This app called Over is like so useful. It literally kind of like almost have everything. Like, this app is more for people on the creative side and those people who really want to spend time editing their IG stories. Well, we all know that IG stories only stays for about a day and then it just suddenly disappears. In this app, there's a bunch of templates. Like, I don't know how much templates they have, but some of them are pro, so you actually have to pay. But the free ones are pretty good enough themselves. You just gotta be creative and tweak some of those and then it'll be good enough. Like, you're not doing it for like a job or something, you're just doing it for an IG. So I don't think you really have to pay for it. This is not sponsored, so I'm not asking you to pay for it, but you really don't have to pay for it. Our next app is Phonto. Well, this app is probably not really new to you, but I do want to put it here because this is what I actually use. It's very helpful. Like, you can download your own fonts to it. Like, I don't know, I'll do a tutorial for it if you guys want. Yes, I know it kind of might be a little bit mainstream for you, but I don't know, it's really useful. Maybe that's why there's a reason why it's mainstream right now. You can use this to put text on your IG stories, and then you can also download fonts from the internet. Pretty much self-explanatory. It's good. Like, the app also have built-in filters. To change mine, as you can see, I'm like looking for filters. I mean, you can use other apps too, but this is like especially made for text to put on pictures. So our next app is Snow. Again, another one. This is not kind of like hidden app, but it is kind of because we keep updating it that there's like new filters upcoming and no one even knows that it's in there. Because like me, this app is in my phone, but I didn't even know they have like the 3D shit. Also, a good reason is that they have like the shape of the IG, so it's really easy to just input, take a picture, send it to IG, and then boop, pretty IG. I feel like this video is like so boring. Like, I need to be better at explaining shit. Like, what am I doing with life? Wait, so the next app is gonna be, what app is the next one? When I do my videos, I don't have scripts, anything. I just go with it, and yeah. Next app will be, oh, it's the last app. It's the last app. It's the app that I use a lot. I use every app that I said, but this one is my favorite because it's like very easy to use. And this is what also Julia Barretto uses. So, dun. The app is called Unfold. Dun. This app is very useful. Bruh, I need more words. I said useful for every app that I introduce. What the heck? I mean, it is useful. That's why I keep saying it. I'm having a breakdown. I'm so sorry, that's so unprofessional, but back to the app. The app is very useful. It's very neat and easy to use, literally. So it has templates, a bunch of them. First, C1, or like the first is like 3 columns, and then first one is free, and then the other 2 you have to pay for $1, like no, 99 cents to be exact. So I paid for the 2 of them. The other one, I'm thinking about it. So it has like really neat shit. Like, for reals, man. It has like Polaroids. If you're like looking for the Polaroid shit, it's in here. And it's like high quality, not like just Polaroid stuff and then put your picture in it. No, it's like high quality, and then it has so much. This app already has like the text features. I'm not sure if you can download your own fonts, but if ever, you can just go upload the picture from Unfold and then send it to Phonto, and then you can add the text on Phonto if you really want that font. You know what I mean? Everything is in here. Like, to be honest, I don't really want to spend a lot of time editing IG stories because it literally deletes itself right after one day. So I don't see the point of actually spending my time editing it, and then it's gonna just be gone, vanish. So just a recap, the apps that I introduced are Over, Phonto, Snow, and Unfold. If you like this video, I have 2 more tutorial or app revealing videos that I had already uploaded. So feel free to check those out. So that's it for this video. I hope you like it. I know I didn't really explain the apps very well, but I'm so sorry. But I still hope that you guys like this video. I mean, you guys just wanted to know what app it is. You guys didn't really want me to explain it, right? I mean, some of you probably just like, you know, swiped up to like this part to just see what app was I talking about. Like, I'm pretty sure lahat yung iba dyan, nag-i-skip sila para makita lang kung ano yung app na sinabi ko. They don't really care if I explain it or not. Gusto lang talaga nila makita yung app. And that's all they care about. If you have any suggestions on what videos I should do next, then comment also. If you are a basher and you want to say something to me, comment down below. If you haven't subscribed yet, then please subscribe down below. And I hope I helped you. And goodbye!